Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and before we start this video, I want to give a quick shout out to the Ready Set Drone flight crew listed on the screen. These guys support the channel with a small donation every month, and if you want to join them, you can hit the join button down below to join. I also want to dedicate this video to the subscriber of the month, my most recent one, I Am Wedge. Because where I Am Wedge lives in Minnesota, it's darn cold, and as you'll see in Texas right now, it's actually quite pleasant. It's a couple days before Christmas, and I've been wearing shorts, going swimming, and flying my Tello. That's what this video is all about. So I Am Wedge, enjoy this video. I'll be thinking of you up there in the cold, and you can think of me when it's 110 degrees down here in Texas in the summer. By the way, if you haven't seen I Am Wedge's channel, he does a lot of cool stuff with big machinery. He operates a crane. I've never seen the inside of a crane until watching his video, and it's pretty interesting, so go check it out. All right, enough of my blabbing, onto the video. All right, if you can believe it, it is December 22nd here in Austin. It is about 65 degrees outside, super nice day, and I'm gonna go ride the replay board over to the neighbors and fly the Tello with Bluetooth remote. It's been a little while since I've flown this guy and thought it'd just be fun to do, so here we go. Okay, so I've got the Tello right here with my cool Union Jack colors on it. Got my Speedy game controller here, and I'm sitting in our neighbor's backyard, which is a very beautiful backyard with a pool. I thought my kids were over here swimming, but apparently they went to get somebody else to come swimming. So I'm gonna fly around a little bit on my own. I guess the question is, after almost a year, is the Tello still fun to fly? And the answer is yes. I actually forgot how much fun this thing is to fly. And I'm also going to say, I actually enjoy flying it better with the phone than I do with the remote. The reason is there's just a slight amount of lag with the remote that you don't have with the phone, and the phone controls are actually pretty good. So I'm going to fly it over the pool, do a little bit of low-level water stuff, and see how that goes. So there you go. Tello down. All right, so just flew through 2 batteries on the Tello and had a good time. I forgot how much fun this thing is to fly. It's been probably 2 or 3 months since I've flown it. I've mostly flown it indoors, but it's so nice and calm tonight in December. And again, we're in shorts because it's warm outside and about to go swimming. Thought I'd give it a fly. Really glad I did. It's, I think, on sale right now for 79 bucks on the DJI website. It's made by Rise. They're a partner of DJI, the Rise Tello. I have a full review of it if you want to check that out. And if you like this video, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you'll subscribe to Ready Set Drone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.